Hi guys, so it's only been a couple of hours since the last time I uploaded my video, but as things go, when I uploaded it, it cut off about 4 or 5 minutes. Not sure exactly what I did, but I'm learning. So thank you for tuning in for the second half, and thank you for watching the first half. I love all of your comments. It means so much to me. I appreciate it. All right, let's get to the second half of this video. Just a little break to check out my cute little kitty cat. The boys started school today, so I took the opportunity to take some photos of my late August garden. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm not looking forward to the fall, but I'm gonna embrace it. You can feel the temperature changing, and you can start to see everything changing. Seasons are moving on, but I'm excited. If you had only known me a few years earlier, you would be surprised how much this cat gives me joy. But look at her. And we're back to cleaning up. But wait, Rob bought me surprise shirts for our anniversary. We just celebrated 15 years. I'm so blessed to be married to him. It was one of the best decisions I've ever made. Look how cute he is. I just love it. I have a winter project coming up with some of these sleds, so another reason to stay tuned. So this may drive quite a few people crazy, but I do not fold my socks. Hit that subscribe button and bell notification if we can still be friends even though I don't fold my socks. Organizing is kind of like puzzle pieces, putting it all together, and I have never had patience for puzzles, so maybe that's why I'm not good at organizing. What are your organizing tips? Leave a comment below. A quick look at my progress that I've done so far. Carpet lines. I absolutely love the sweeper lines. It lets you know that something's been done, right? If you have kids running around, they don't last very long. Just a reminder of what it looked like before. And the reveal of all our hard work. And we can't forget about a close-up of the adorable little Momo, my little Molly Ann. Thanks for taking time out of your day to watch this. I love you and I appreciate you all. Bye. For now.
My life. Ah, it makes me happy.